Hi everyone, my name is Sabrina Weil and I'm an early intervention teacher. One of the main concerns I hear when I speak with parents throughout the week is that my child is not making eye contact, or my child is looking at their toys and when I call their name, they're not looking at me. Okay, first of all, take a deep breath. It's going to be okay. Sometimes children are not naturally making eye contact and they need help and they need practice to work on that skill. Okay, so I am going to suggest three strategies or three ideas that you can use at home to work on the skill of building eye contact. And it will get better. Okay, so let's start off with idea number one. So the first idea is to use bubbles. Children naturally love bubbles because they're colorful and interesting. So the strategy is you're going to take the bubbles. The child is looking at the bubbles, they're grabbing for them, reaching for the bubbles. You take the bubbles and you bring it up to your eyes. What this does is the child's eyes naturally follow the bubbles. And if you notice, if it's close by your eyes, there's a short distance between the bubbles and your eyes. So when the child is scanning between the bubbles, and let's say they glance into your eyes, right after that, you give a big praise, a big smile, you say, yay, make it really exciting that they're looking at you with eye contact. And that will encourage the child to look again when you bring the bubbles up. Let's use an example with actual bubbles. So I'm going to open the bubbles up. Child's really excited. You take the one, you blow the bubble, and you bring the bubble up to your eye. Bubble. Bubble. Yay, you did it, yay! And when they make eye contact, make it really exciting. You can blow another bubble, bring that bubble right up to your eye, and watch your child to scan. When they make that eye contact, oh, do something really exciting so that they get excited that you're giving them attention, okay? So that's going to be tip number one. Also, try to use a wand where you can blow one bubble at a time. Sometimes there's wands that have like 3 or 4 bubbles at a time and you can blow a bunch of bubbles. That can be really fun and exciting for the child, but I think when you're working on eye contact or language skills, simple is better. So one bubble at a time, you can really work on clarity and simplification and really getting to the point of the eye contact with just one bubble as opposed to like all these bubbles everywhere, the child's getting distracted. When you can get that one bubble, the eye contact can be a lot cleaner. Idea number two is take your child's favorite toy or food and use that same strategy of bringing that toy up to where your eyes are to make that eye contact. Okay, so for example, I have a couple toys in front of me. So I know a lot of children really like cars and whatnot. And sometimes, your child is like going around and playing with the car and everything like that. And you call like, Johnny, Johnny, and they're not looking. You could take the car again, the child's following the car around, and you take that car and you just bring it up to your eyes. Car, car. And again, the distance between the car and your eyes is a short distance. When they make that eye contact, yay, you did it, wonderful. Or car, make a silly face, and they'll think it's really funny that you're making face and giving praise, and try that multiple times per day to keep working on that eye contact. You can also work on this skill during snack time, lunchtime. Let's say that, it's lunchtime and you're having a treat or a cracker. Right now, I don't have any crackers, but I do have some Jell-O pudding. So let's say that your child was having some pudding or whatnot, and they're reaching, maybe they're in their high chair and they're like, want the pudding. You could take the pudding and bring it up. Pudding, pudding. And as soon as they make that eye contact, yay, look at mommy, yay, and you give the child the pudding. So this is another example using maybe a cracker or something that they want to eat, and you can embed the eye contact during the day. Okay, the third idea is using stickers. So I like to journal. I have journaling stickers right now, but let's say your child really loved Thomas the Train or Dora the Explorer or any favorite sticker, maybe shape, something that they really enjoy. What you could do, again, using the same strategy, is taking that sticker and putting it on your face. You could put it on your forehead. You could put it, I'm going to look really silly right now. Put it on, close to your eyes. And again, you put it on and hopefully, like let's say these were Thomas the Train, they could reach for your head, try to pick them off, or they're going to be at least scanning your face. Okay, and the idea is that you have these stickers on your face so that they can look at you and that they're excited to look at you because they like the stickers and they like looking at mommy. And again, when you get that eye contact, it's really important to give a lot of praise and a smile and a kiss and make it fun. Make it fun for them, okay? So that is idea number 3. I know it can seem really stressful and overwhelming when your child is not making eye contact, but if you embed these different ideas throughout the day, let's say you use snack time or you use play time, and you make eye contact 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, you keep building up that eye contact and sustaining that eye contact for longer periods of time, it will get better and your child will be looking at you more and wanting to look at you more because they know that it's fun and that, mommy loves them. And so I always try to say that when you're doing these ideas and strategies, we want to make it as playful and rewarding as possible. All right, so try these activities at home and your child's eye contact will get better with practice. And you can do these activities every day, embed them into your daily routines, and you can practice them in a fun and playful way, and the eye contact will get better. Okay? So if you enjoyed some of these strategies and you want to learn more, you can always reach out to me. My contact information will be linked down below. I also offer a group circle time on Saturday mornings via Zoom, 10 to 10:30, and this is for children that are 3 to 5 years old working on their language development or speech skills. Okay, so until next time, I really look forward to talking more about concerns that I hear throughout the week and being able to offer ideas and strategies for parents to help with their little ones. All right. So until next time, see you later. Thanks again. Bye.